popular, a very popular one these days called tea vendors in the social media and in the internet that are also monetizing this tea. And Mr. Speaker, tea is another name for gossip, or just talking about what's happening in the society. And sometimes they could cross a line and talk about people's personal lives, but Kenyans have proven to be very interested in what's happening in celebrities' lives and their families. And this tea has also been monetized. We have Githaiga Wachai, a very young man who has risen very fast in popularity. Senator Methu must know him. And he's just a representative of young people who just come up, be themselves.
Senator Karen Nyamu, would you like to be informed by Senator Methu?
Yes, Senator Methu can inform
Very well.
Just to inform Senator Karen, because she has mentioned Githaiga Wachai, and has said that I must be knowing him. For sure, I know Githaiga Wachai, and I actually met him today at a place that we were launching a party, and he's a member of our party, and he's running for a political position. So he's making the best out of the name that he has created in that arena of chai.
I hope you're informed.
Thank you, Senator Methu. I think everything that Senator Methu has told me, I already knew. I know the young man is actually vying for a seat in Zimmerman. We are not sure if he's a member. He could be shopping for a party.